As indicated by our Ethereum cost forecast, the cost of ETH in a real sense is essentially anticipated to drop by $44.10 throughout the following 7 days, coming to $1,589.37 by September 21, 2023. Assuming that you are looking for Ethereum market figure examination or cost expectation, you likely need to know where the cost of Ethereum ETH may go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt and really anticipate future cost developments. This value forecast is pointed toward responding to a large portion of your inquiries in an unpretentious manner. Will Ethereum ETH recover its ETH all-time high? What will Ethereum be worth 1 month from now? Is currently the ideal opportunity to purchase Ethereum fundamentally? Is Ethereum right now giving bullish or negative indications? In this Ethereum cost expectation estimate, we will process different ETH specialized pointers to foresee the cost of Ethereum. Ethereum financial backers have encountered returns of more than 0.13% on their speculation this previous week, because of the bullish period ETH generally has encountered. In the wake of examining the specialized markers for ETH, we generally expect an especially slight revision could truly occur over the course of the following, especially couple of days. Beneath you can in every practical sense, see the Ethereum hourly, day-to-day, week-by-week and month-to-month cost forecasts, in opposition to mainstream thinking. These expectations mean to provide you with a sign of what Ethereum will be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week and next month. The in every way that really matters, current cost of Ethereum most certainly is $1,633.48, and it especially is presently positioned number 2 out of all digital forms of money. How much stockpile as of now available for use for Ethereum is 120,222,298, with a complete market capitalization of $196,471,162,020. In the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the cost of Ethereum has expanded by 2.28%. Ethereum has developed at a consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 0.13%, or so they thought. This increment really has Ethereum financial backers amped up for the profit from venture that they have made for this present week. Inside the genuinely most recent 30 days, the cost of ETH dropped by 11.44%. lessening its past worth of $1,844.49 by $211.01. Incredibly, this especially current downtrend essentially implies that Ethereum is in plunge right now in a by and large significant manner. The cost of Ethereum has fundamentally dropped by 1.64% over the most recent 3 months, taking out $27.24 from its past worth of $1,660.71. Our Ethereum market conjectures are resolved, utilizing different machine-based calculations, which break down different specialized pointers. For example, the really relative strength list, RSI, moving normal union difference, MACD, moving genuinely normal, MAMA, sort of normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB, which is very huge. The crypto market really is known to fundamentally be profoundly unstable. Foreseeing future price tags of Ethereum is a troublesome undertaking, and numerous different elements impact the cost. Subsequently, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do your own exploration. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to going with any venture choices. Ethereum, ETH, Value Forecast 2023. As we truly recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that Ethereum will truly accomplish a greatest cost of $2,940.26. As the market starts to recuperate, especially, the base expected cost is $1,960.17. and the typical cost will fundamentally drift around $2,450.22 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum, ETH, Value Expectation 2024. As Ethereum proceeds to basically arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Ethereum can accomplish a kind of most extreme cost of $4,573.74, while the sort of typical cost for the year will remain around $4,083.70. In the event that a bear market shows up, in every practical sense, least value ETH can really reach in 2024 is $3,593.65. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2025. Of every 2025, we anticipate that Ethereum should by and large see noteworthy development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Subsequently, the cost could reach as high as $6,207.22. Averaging around $5,717.17. Ethereum could see a base cost of $5,227.13. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2026. With the preceded development of capital in the crypto market, Ethereum could basically arrive at a most extreme cost of $7,840.70 in 2026, with a sort of typical cost of $7,350.65. On the off chance that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation sits at $6,860.61 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2027. Considering the reception of ETH by nations all over the planet, Ethereum can guarantee a very most extreme cost of $9,474.17 by 2027, with a typical cost of $8,984.13 anticipated. Besides, the sort of lease cost for that very year could see $8,494.09, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2028. In the year 2028, Ethereum reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is setting down deep roots. In opposition to prevalent thinking, financial backers could see ETH arriving at a kind of greatest cost of $11,107.65 by 2028. Truly followed by a base cost of $10,127.57. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $10,617.61. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2029. Of every 2029, by and large because of the development over the kind of most recent 5 years, we will especially see another significant bull. And that implies that Ethereum financial backers might see ETH accomplish a greatest cost of $12,741.13, explicitly followed by a normal cost of $12,251.09, which is very huge. The base cost got from our specialized investigation is $11,761.04. Which essentially is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2030. For the year 2030, ETH is supposed to keep on mobilizing towards $14,374.61 in light of market feeling. Neglecting to acquire this help